You've identified a lot of areas in your life that are suffering as a result of your weight gain or being heavier than you would want to be. You've identified reasons for the change. You've recruited a support network. You've made a plan, and you're at that point of executing that plan. So when we talk about readiness to make change, whether it be with weight loss or any other aspect of our life, there are certain stages, and these stages had to do with initially smoking cessation, and now really they can be applied to any form of change. So the first stage is pre-contemplation, right? Which is like, I'm in denial. I don't think I have a problem. Contemplation is, I do have a problem. Perhaps I know I'm overweight and I want to do something about it. And then we move on to action. And in the action phase, we are actually watching what we're eating, and we're making those modifications, or we're doing the exercise, we're committing to the program, and finally there's a final stage called maintenance. So you'll know that you're ready when you are no longer in denial. You don't say, I don't have a problem. You have talked to your doctor. The doctor says, you know, you'd benefit from losing X amount of weight. This will take off the weight or the pain on your joints or the arthritis that you're having, that this would be better if you could lose the weight, or perhaps the blood pressure. You've identified a lot of areas in your life that are suffering as a result of your weight gain or being heavier than you would want to be. You've identified reasons for the change. You've recruited a support network. You've made a plan, and you're at that point of executing that plan. So that's when I would say, I know that this person is ready, is when they know the reasons that they have to change, and they also know the reasons that if they don't change, what are the risks that are going to affect them. So that might be the hypertension or the high cholesterol or the heart attack, for example. So making a list of sort of the reasons to change and what's at risk if you didn't change. That's for me one of the big things that I hallmark of when I know someone is ready to step into action.